Hi all, in this video let's learn about TypeScript utility types. So there would be a number of utility types, but we'll concentrate on omit and pick in this video. So firstly, let's see this with an example. So you have an interface. This is a to-do interface. It can be an interface or a type which you create, but overall you'll be getting an type. Now to-do is a type. So if you want to omit if you want to exclude few properties from this type, then what you can do? So most of the people, they will try to again recreate one more interface by removing the description. If they don't want description, they will again recreate one more interface and remove this description. So instead of that, we have this utility type called omit. With this, what we can do is like I'm creating this omit and pick. These will create new types by using the existing types. It will use this existing type and create a new type. So for that, so to do, I'm creating to do preview. Okay. So this is what the type is and the syntax omit, and you need to define the type. I mean like which one you wanted to do. And these are the keys. So this is the syntax. This is how it looks. So syntactically, it looks something like this. So I will put the syntax here. So now if we do this, now in type, so whom like which type we wanted to reuse, the to do. Okay, I'm putting to do here, and which one you wanted to exclude, which property we wanted to exclude from this interface or from this type is description. So I will mention that as a description here. So that's it. So we are good to go. So this is how we can like give me a second. Yeah, this should be an equal to. So now if you see, if I uncomment this, see this will work as is because in this to do preview, the type is title completed and created at, but description is omitted. We are excluding the description. Okay. So this is how the omit works. Fine. So if you wanted to omit two properties, two properties like description and created at, so then what we can do is like, let me copy this. So as I told, like this omit will create a new type by using the existing type and will exclude this description. So if you wanted to omit two types, like two things like completed, you don't want completed, and you also don't want another created at. So then you need to use this union symbol so that here you can have multiple strings, multiple properties can also be omitted. So for now, like if I say this as to do info, okay, I will remove this. See now this to do info has only title and description, okay, as its type. So this is how the omit works. So in the same way, pick like a pick also will work. Omit means it will exclude the properties in the type, whereas pick, it will only pick what is needed. For example, so let me comment out all this thing and we'll see this pick. Fine. We have to do. So as I told, the pick or to do, it will create a new type. Okay, I'm creating a new type here and I'm doing pick. Okay, the syntax is same, to do. And if I want to pick only title, so I am picking title. And as I told, like if you want one more parameter to be picked, completed, so I'm picking another completed. So if you want multiple, this is the syntax for the multiple. You can use this union operator. Fine. So now this is a type you have, and what you are picking in that, you are only picking title and completed. Only these two properties you are picking. So this will work. See, in this to do review, you will have only title and completed. So both omit and pick works in the same way, but in the omit is like excluding your what properties you don't want. Pick is the one which you wanted, like which property you want, only you can pick that property. Omit and pick will create new types. Okay, by using the existing type. So this is all about the simple omit and pick utility types in the TypeScript. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.